educating my community and peers about the virus so that only grounds its continued rise.
Good evening, everyone. HIV is a critical global health issue that affects millions of lives.
Stigma and stereotyping and lack of awareness, continuous escalation of BLE
is not a death sentence. And I believe HIV is not just a health illness. This is all about the responsibility today promoting awareness of
Magamalan kada tayo amin. HIV is not just a virus. It is a story of resilience, courage,
at ang malaking pagkakas. My advocacy is to give knowledge to the younger generation